Here you completed. Ah, what is this?
Crab.
दिखाओ मैं. Show me. What is this?
Crab. CRAB crab.
Spelling it CRAB crab. Now you. What is this?
ELEPHANT.
Ah,
Elephant.
elephant. It's a picture of elephant. It's appear when we colored the letters. It's appear elephant. Show me your
M
flashcard.
MOUSE.
What is this?
MOUSE. This is
Spelling it. What is this?
this is mouse.
This is mouse. And spelling
MOUSE.
MOUSE, mouse. And what is this?
This is notes.
Notes. You can spell it.
And
Yes.
NOTES.
Very good. Nice. You last one. Which flashcard you have? Show me your flashcard. What is this?
Key.
This is
Key.
key. We know about the key. Key. Will you spell the key?
KEY.
KEY key. Yes, remember it. Now, will you show what is this?
This is fish.
This is fish. Oh, how beautiful. Nice, nice color. And now, show me your flashcard. What is this? What is this? Tell me loudly. What is this? This is
This is jug.
yes, jug. 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 What is this?
Octopus.
Octopus. Good. तो स्पेलिंग करके दिखाओ. PUS. Remember it. याद कर लो उसे. What is this? House. We live in house. है ना? क्या स्पेलिंग करोगे आप इसके?
HOUSE.
House. It's a very easy. है ना? It was very easy. So you spell. Now come front. In the front bencher. What is this? What is this? Tell me loudly.
BULTTE. Butterfly.
What is this?
BUTTE.
Tell me the name of this picture. What is this? Tell me loudly.
BU.
What is this?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Good. Now we can take this activity more and more time and practicing to our students more and more time, give them opportunity more and more time and practice them, and in this way we will take words reading also here. We can take also the words meaning. Clap. What is the meaning crab? The student will say crab means. Tell me crab means. Who will tell me crab means? Yes. kekda. We saw the kekda in the sea and the pond. Yes, very good, very nice. Take your seat. Now, who will say me about this word? Only one. Tell me only one student. Please raise your hand. Yeah, no. The other student will try. You stand up. Tell me elephant. Spell it. Elephant. Yes, definitely. Sit down. Now we can take the activities, more and more activities in it, color by the letters. Thank you, friends.